I have a great video today on one of my favorite Excel functions. It is the filter function. I'm also going to use the unique function and the transpose function. I am Chris Menard. Let's dive in right now. Over in column B and C, I have a list of names and departments. And what I want to do is, starting in cell E1, put in a department. Let's just say it's HR. And then below it in E2 down, put all the names that go with HR in that column. Then over to column F, do accounting. So we have an Excel function called the unique function. It's going to quickly do this, equal unique. And that should give me my unique departments right here. There they are, the 4 departments. I do want to point out with unique function, it is sitting here in cell D2. If I go to D3, it is grayed out, so it lives in cell D2. The problem with unique function, it's going to put it straight down, and I need to go from left to right. So let's do the transpose function in there. Combine it with unique, highlight, press enter and hit yes. And there we go right there. I'm going to make those bold just to stand out right there. Now I'm going to cell E2 and I need to get the names for each department. So I'm looking for HR. This will be the function that I absolutely love. It is the filter function. I want to pick up all the names. So I selected cell B2 to B13, comma, argument number 2 is what do you want to include? I want to include the departments, and the department is going to be equal to whatever is in cell E1. I really need to do some absolute reference and even a mixed reference here. I'm going to come back and do the references. Let's just make sure that this works just for HR right now. Press enter and I get Emma, Ava, Olivia. Just a quick check over here. Always check what it's doing, and that looks correct to me. I'm going to go to cell E2 and double click to edit the Excel function. And B2, that's going to be absolute cell reference, the F4 function key. Do C2 to C13. Now the E1 is actually going to be okay by itself. I don't need to do a mixed reference, but if you wanted to, you could do F4 twice, and it's $1. I'm freezing row 1, but I'm not freezing the column, in case you're wondering. Just a little cleaner. That E part wasn't necessary, but here we go. I'm going to go to cell E2, and I'm going to autofill over to H2 and let go. And there are the names for every department right there. So there is transpose and unique to get the names of the departments. And then there is the filter function, which I love, referencing a cell. Perfect right there. Thank you for your time. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell. Have a great day.